Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial we will work with the object interaction abilities. These types of interactions are applied on the interactable actors such as doors or any other actor actually you want to play an animation on for a duration of time, or if you want to wait for an event to happen, like sending gameplay event to trigger the post interaction. Like send a gameplay event to trigger post interact and end the ability. We will start by creating object interaction timed ability. First of all, what I did before starting this tutorial, I moved this skeletal mesh door from the demo project with its specified animation, which is starting from here and it's looping on the interact and then it closes. That's our animation that we will play and we'll use for this tutorial. And now let's start first by creating, under TwistedBytes abilities, object interaction timed. You can see under TwistedBytes montage settings all the settings that we can edit and change. It's close to the interaction ability. You can edit everything you want. Now we don't want to change anything actually. We just want to grant this ability to our actor. We'll go here and grant this ability. We are granting this ability to the door, not for the player character. That's important. And in get interaction context, we are going to play the grab montage. It's 0 seconds, meaning we are going to play this as an interaction cosmetic. And here the important part, we are going to play this montage on the skeletal mesh. Of course, what I did before, not to waste your time because this will be repetitive, on the skeletal mesh have an NMPP, and this animation blueprint have a slot, and this montage is playing on that slot. So here we have the montage is set for this door, and here we are setting object interaction duration is 2 seconds. So when we interact with the door, we are going to play the grab montage on our character immediately, like a cosmetic animation. And what we want to do is on post interact, this interaction will happen immediately since the interaction duration is 0. So post interact will be called immediately. And then we want to send a gameplay event to interacting actor. Actually, our interacting actor that we are going to send is the door itself, and the one sending this event to play the animation, or actually to play the object interaction timed, is also the door itself. So the interacted actor is self, and the mesh, the skeletal mesh component that we want to play the montage on, is the skeletal mesh of the door. So here we are setting this. And let's place the door in the level and try it. First, let's make sure that the gameplay tag that we are sending is the same as the one for object interaction timed. We want to set it for timed, object interaction timed. Compile and save, and let's test. Door opened, 2 seconds, door closed. This is the object interaction type. Now we are going to create the object interaction tag. So to create the object interaction tag, we are going under TwistedBytes abilities, object interaction tag. Also, this is the same as the object interaction time. What is different between this ability and the other ability, this will wait for a specific time and then it will trigger the post interact, while object interaction tag will wait for a specific gameplay effect. We will show you now how to do it. So let's say that our door, let's duplicate this one actually to use different one. Let's say this door is going to open when you are close to it. So let's add a collision, box collision. Let's set it in the middle. Increase this to 700 by 150 by 300. This looks good. So on event on component begin overlap, what we are going to do, we are going to do the same as this one. So first, let's make sure that the actor overlapping with this box is the player third person character. And if this is true, then we are going to send gameplay event to interacting actor. And we want to change this to tag. Also, we want to grant the object interaction tag for this door. Okay, this is done. So now this is the logic. When you overlap with a box, the door will open. So how to close it is that actually this ability is waiting for a gameplay effect to be applied on this on the door. We will do it first by on end overlap, and we make sure it's the character that left the door. And from here we want to apply gameplay effect to self, and we want self get ability system component, and this is our target. And the gameplay effect is interacting end. This gameplay effect is shipped with the plugin. So now, overlapping with the door will send the gameplay event, and the door will open and will stay open until we end overlap, and this gameplay effect will be applied. So the door will go from the looping phase into ending the animation and ending the ability actually. So let's try. As you can see, it's open and it's still open. And if we go out, the door closes. We got in, door opens, door closes. So that's it for the object interactions. Hope this series was good and a quick start for everything. In the next tutorials, we are going to be working on more advanced stuff. So stay tuned and see you then.